I live in the Midwest and we deal with a lot of moisture, but this month our basement actually flooded. And talk about perfect timing. The brand sent me this 32 pint dehumidifier to try out just when I needed it most. One thing that is very important to remember is you must let the machine sit upright for 24 hours before plugging it in to let the coolant settle. I did that and then I set it up in the basement. I've noticed that it's significantly quieter than our older unit. Make sure that it's sitting perfectly level so the condensation drips into the bucket like it's supposed to. Common question I get is how often do you empty it? This unit has an auto shut off when it's full, or you can use the included drain hose for continuous drainage. My basement humidity was over 65%, and I've been emptying the tank twice a day to keep it dropping down to 45. About every 12 hours, the bucket is nearly full. I find it extremely satisfying to dump out all that water. My favorite part about this one is how portable it is. Our old unit stays in the basement because it's too heavy to move, but this one is so light I can carry it upstairs. I moved it into my bedroom because things can get really stuffy in here. We have soundproofing on all our windows to block out the noise from the parking lot next door, which means we can't open them for fresh air. This little unit is perfect for preventing mold, mildew, and dust mites in a closed off space like this. It's great running at night. It makes about as much noise as a standard fan, and it has a 24-hour timer, smart humidity control, and so I can set it and forget it while I sleep. It's such a relief to wake up in a room that doesn't feel damp or heavy. If you're dealing with moisture or flooding in your basement, or you're trying to improve the air quality in your bedroom with limited ventilation, this unit can do 2,500 square feet. It's energy efficient, portable, and incredibly quiet. I highly recommend it for any home.